Hello everyone, I am so glad you came back for video number 3. Today I'm going to share with you the people page in Google Classroom. I hope you've been enjoying this series so far. I know I have, and I have several more videos to go. But here we go with the people page. You can see that your people are listed into 2 categories, teachers and students. The person listed here is the teacher. This is the first person because they are the ones who created the class. You can add more teachers over here by clicking on this button. You can type in the teacher's email or their name to invite them to the class. I really like that feature because I have been inviting my special ed teachers to join my Google Classroom classes so they can help me to differentiate the assignments for my special ed students. I also like to include my Spanish teachers and my sign language interpreters as well, so they can help me with my deaf and hard of hearing students and my ELD students. Below the teachers, you see you have your list of students. You can also invite guardians to join the classroom as well. And if you come up here to this setting wheel and click on it, scroll down just a little bit, you can see guardian summaries, and you can see right here about guardian email summaries. No one can see this but you, the teacher, and it tells you what will be included in the email to the guardians every time a post is updated by the teacher, whether it's an announcement or an assignment or an assessment, something like that. The post will go out to the guardian as well. Well, I hope that you have learned something about the people page here in Google Classroom. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have more questions about the people page, make sure to comment below and share this with a friend who might be wondering about this page as well. Can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.